Dunstanburgh Castle was built between 1313 and 1322 by the Earl Thomas of Lancaster. Earl Thomas was the leader of the baronial faction against King Edward II, and the castle was to act as a secure refuge. Dunstanburgh was also a statement of intent from the Earl. The location was close to the royal castle of Bamburgh, and Thomas wanted to show his wealth and influence. Originally an Iron Age fort, the castle took advantage of the existing earthworks and the natural defenses of the rugged coastline. Built in the middle of a medieval landscape, the outer walls enclose almost 10 acres. This made the castle the largest in Northumberland. The Great Gatehouse was the most imposing and prominent structure in the castle. Made from both sand and limestone, it stood 3 stories high and dominated the landscape. The castle was never used as intended. Thomas was captured at the Battle of Boroughbridge by royal forces as he tried to retreat back to the safety of Dunstanburgh. He was executed by King Edward II, and the castle became the property of the crown. Today, the castle is owned by both English Heritage and the National Trust. This magnificent castle stands on a remote headland. It is accessed via a 1.3-mile walk from the nearby village of Craster.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.